Hello, welcome to Chester News Center. Today we would like to report on a worldwide problem which is called deforestation. And Jacob, our guest, will tell you how it is a problem.
Thank you, Shane. Well, as you know, the world is currently being affected by deforestation. Deforestation has caused the Amazon rainforest to be on fire. California, Southern Africa, the forest of Africa, China, middle of Europe, Middle East, and Madagascar are also being affected by deforestation, which is causing them to be on fire. Now, our expert Abel will explain why we cut down trees.
Hello, don't put it here. Now it's clear as to why this is happening. Humans need resources from nature for many different activities, like making paper, or nail polish, LCD screens, etc., etc. It happens fast and in many different ways, like clear cutting, slash and burn, etc., etc. It starts fast and makes many issues, which I'll be explained by our news specialist. Kevin, over to you.
Hi, I'm News Specialist Kevin. Now we'll be talking about the cause and effect of deforestation. We mainly cut down thousands of trees for agriculture, lumber, or just in general land. Why is this problematic? We are destroying animal habitats and ruining their food webs. Deforestation is also a cause of climate change. Deforestation also causes our oxygen levels to decrease, which can be vital if you have no oxygen. Now on to Jacob, who will tell us how to solve this problem.
Here at the Chestnut News Center, our solution to help deforestation is selective cutting. It should at least help slow down the process of it. Selective cutting is where you select trees and just cut them down instead of cutting down entire areas. Well, hand it over to Shane.
Thank you, Jacob. Now, Chester News is signing off. Goodbye.
Hello, don't put it here. Now it's clear as to why this is happening. Humans need resources for different types of activities.
Yes,
like
it's gonna be good.
agriculture or logging. Yeah, but like, if we were recording, we would have thought you were the strangest person.
I'm gonna have this again first. Well, that is it of Chester News Center. Please come again next time.